What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a iPhone 16 Pro Max case right here. I had to think about what I was saying because I haven't had an iPhone in so long, so I had to figure out what iPhone I'm talking about. So I have this iPhone 16 Pro Max right here. All right, you guys. So right here we have this nice case right here, and one of the reasons why I bought this style of case is because, for one, y'all know on my reviews I'm usually outside for the most part, especially when it comes to spring, summer, and fall. I am outside. I'm working in the yard. I'm doing outside reviews. Stuff drop. For the only good thing that I haven't dropped the camera yet. So stuff drops outside. All right. So I have to protect this phone by any means necessary. Now, with that being said, the cool thing about this is that you can protect your lens as well. And not only that, you can use this as a kickstand. So you can watch your movies and stuff, or you close that, protect your lens. All right, so they said this is military grade, whatever that means. I don't know what military grade means, but that's what it says, military grade. And it says drop protection, drop up to 20 feet. So I'm pretty sure if you drop this from 20 feet in the air, it should still be alive. But I am not going to do that test for y'all. I'll save that for the actual reviewers that do a drop test. It fits on nice and easy, and it does have a lip, so if you do drop it on the face, it will hit the edges. Don't know if y'all can see it, but it does have like the pop out. It comes out maybe like a 1/16 on the edge. So if it lands on its face, if you're on a flat surface, now let's say if this is like a rock and it lands flat, you're screwed. I mainly bought this for some good protection. Now I do need to get the screen protector. My wife used the one where you have the privacy screen on it, so that's pretty cool. But once again, you can cover up your lens. This is so cool, you guys. When I was shopping for this on Amazon, I was like, man, this is so awesome. Now I did buy this for $20, okay? $20. I can't say the price because whenever I post this stuff on my Amazon storefront and you say the price, they say you can't advertise price. So it was $20 when I got it. It says you could charge right here. So I don't know if MagSafe means charging or what. So whatever MagSafe is, I have to look it up and figure it out for myself. But it says it's compatible with MagSafe. So hopefully that will make y'all happy. All right, you guys, so this is it. Here's your last look on the iPhone case right here. It's pretty cool. All right, you guys, so that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.